Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Microsoft Office 365 full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Microsoft Office 365 subscription, start by signing in to your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft Office website. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password associated with your Office 365 account. Once signed in, navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section. You will see a list of your subscriptions. Locate your Office 365 subscription in the list. Click on the Manage link next to it. Scroll down to find the Cancel Subscription option. Click on Cancel Subscription to initiate the cancellation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked about the reason for cancellation. Select the appropriate option. Review any information about the remaining time on your subscription. Once you confirm, you'll receive a notification regarding the cancellation confirmation. Make sure to check your email for a cancellation confirmation message from Microsoft. Your Office 365 subscription will now remain active until the current billing cycle ends. After the cycle, your subscription will no longer be active, and you will lose access to the Office applications. Remember to save any important files from OneDrive before the cancellation takes effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.